Good afternoon, Chet. Let's see if FOMC gives us any opportunities here. This here. All right, we all set up. I personally think FOMC is going to push us up higher. These stacked highs are so relatively, like, they're so clean and relatively equal highs. Even the highs up here look clean to go grab. I really like the Asia buy side. It sits right under previous day equilibrium. That's what I really like. Four-hour after Indian golfing, I think we're going to push up higher. I'm going to try to look for longs here. If we find a trade about 15 minutes before news, I'll take it. If we're getting too close to that window, that 2 p.m. window, I won't touch anything. Don't want to get burned during FOMC. We should have David joining us anytime soon, guys. He running a little late. We still have the AM buy side that we didn't take out. The high of this morning that we failed to take out. Look how clean of a market maker buy model once we take out these highs up here. Came all the way back here, came into the OT of this big range that we created. Was there any entries here? No, not at all. Not any fair value gaps at all on the way down, so I wouldn't see any entry. Maybe there would be an entry on the 30-second. Yeah, so the entry on the 30-second would be right over here. Or you guys would have to wait for this candle to close and then enter in down here. It's the only pretty much thing I see. And then we took off in the whole afternoon. I am such a scary cat. You joined Discord and I got scared.
How did you get scared?
It went doing. Yeah, what's up?
Nothing. Trying to set up. You're not putting your camera on?
My camera's on.
I have
And
it.
I got some mosquito bites and they're itchy.
Not in the Discord.
Discord.
Oh, you don't turn your camera on in the Discord. It's true. I forgot.
Oh, I thought you were just fucking with me, so I just stayed quiet.
No.
Oh, what an annoying mosquito bite.
Hmm.
I really thought FOMC was going to be the one that's going to bring us up there, not during lunch hour and 1 o'clock.
It's not a FOMC statement though, it's just minutes. They're just gonna be talking. What did Trump tweet?
No, not that I know of. Oh. F off. Never seen you in my stream. Welcome. Sorry, I'm just trying to connect something on my PC. What a name to have.
Your Discord's been a little busy, eh?
Yeah, people chatting.
Except I think, did you play with the permissions? Because a few people saying they're having a hard time writing in there. I don't know how you write a message saying I can't write a message, but
No,
some people wrote a message saying I can't write a message.
didn't play with anything.
I'm not sure I understood.
I would never play with any settings for permission. The only thing I did is what you told me to do in regards to permission, but that was letting you do stuff.
Okay, I'll be back.
You'll be back.
Well, I'm there, but uh, mics are off. I'm starting my stream. That's it. I'm not sticking around, eh? I'm just gonna put it up on the channel.
You
Yeah,
go,
all
girl.
good.
You go, girl.
When's France, Morocco, Alex? Thursday?
Yeah,
Tomorrow? What time?
no idea. Poor Megan.
Ah, Foff. What did you say? Did you say fuck off?
No.
Ah, that's Miss K. That's Risky Frisky. Didn't I hear you say before some name? What a name to have or something? I imagined.
Yeah, the name in my chat F off, it said. I said, what kind of name is that?
FOFF111.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I just said that. And you said no.
Okay, I misunderstood you, sir.
Hmm,
I heard
That's
something
Miss.
else. You worded it differently.
Yeah, that's Miss K. I don't know if you know Miss K.
Yeah, she's been in my chat many times. What am I hearing? Guys, who's
Why did you
listening to
go?
something?
My lovely. Da-da-da-da. I wanna know. La 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 la. I wanna know. La dee dee da da. La dee dee da la la dee da da.
You guys are big singers. Did you hear that? Do you hear me?
Yeah, we hear
I
you.
hear you,
Oh,
Could
and I
that's
think
we?
cool.
and I
That's
think I
cool.
heard you watching stuff too.
No, that's cool.
Yo, could you?
You guys hear me, but it's not on the stream. My talking. Yeah, it's cool. It's funny. Yeah, but it's
Dave,
coming into the Discord.
Dave, you
Okay,
were saying?
guys.
Oh, nothing.
Oh, speak. I don't have your audio. I don't think. Hold on. Let me see. Text. Audio, Alex. Yeah, it's not picking you up. Discord GG. That's where we are, eh? Don't be shy. Say something.
No, sorry, I was
Oh, there
chewing.
you
I didn't
go.
want the whole stream to hear it.
Yeah, no, there you go. It's picking you up.
I was just finishing my bite of food, so I put myself on mute. And then you said it's not picking you up, and I was talking to you, but I forgot I even muted myself to chew.
Mm.
First, I was afraid. I was petrified. Keep thinking I could never leave.
Wow, they're still there,
You're
Megan.
still there, Megan.
Not Megan, waiting. Wow, she said she didn't even see anybody yet. She's still waiting.
Mm. Oh, is that what I just got? The text?
Yeah.
Yeah, hospitals.
Wow.
Yeah, not fun.
Mm.
What it feels to chew 5 gum. Mike, how do you keep the dust away? I feel like my stuff get dusty, like, often.
What
I don't know.
stuff?
My computer, my desk, my
You have to blow on
monitors. My no, it does. It gets worse.
it.
I don't know what to do.
You get those air cans.
It's so bizarre.
How bizarre.
I'm back.
Oh my God.
What a crazy run from the 11:30. Imagine I held since my entering of that trade. I actually got the bottom if I would have held. But it came back to break even anyways, whatever. Ooh,
Yeah, well,
wow, unemployment rate in Canada is 6.6%. So about 7 out of 100 people have no job. Just stay home.
Mm.
doesn't sound like a huge amount, but yeah. You said 7 or 6?
7. Well, I rounded up. It said 6.6.
Yeah, so 7% of the population has no job. Well, bro, I don't even know how you calculate that.
Well, people that have no jobs, most of them
There's
file
a lot of people
unemployment
work.
claims for
There's a lot
money.
of people working cash under the table. There's a lot of people who you probably don't even know are in the country. There's
At
so
least they
many
work.
different things.
Maybe I'll take a little trade.
Maybe I'll take a little trade.
Yeah,
What?
no, what I mean is maybe I'll look for a setup. Stop picking on me. We're at the, what is that, the previous day's close, eh? On NQ.
Um, I don't know. I don't really have that.
Mm. Yeah, we are.
Yeah, we are. I have the new day opening gap.
Far above VWAP, far above the 50
We're
MA
where it
area.
opened, not where it closed.
Yeah, same thing. They're very similar. Close enough.
For real, I have a 60-point difference.
Ah, yeah, you're right. So we're at the close, not the open. The open's a lot lower. The open was lower by 60.
Yeah, you're right. Because I have the 6 p.m. at 74.25, so the open was lower. But anyways, we already traded through that and
Yeah,
inside like 2-3 times.
you guys should start doing the stream from the DNA trading, eh?
Sorry?
You should be doing the stream in DNA trading. Like get in the habit of crossing over. And you created a live room, remember?
Oh, you're talking about Discord. You gotta be
Yeah,
more
yeah, yeah.
specific.
Yeah,
In DNA trading, it's that I have an email DNA trading, I have a YouTube channel, a
yeah,
Discord.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Discord. You're in the GG room, you know?
Yeah. I'll switch over.
Well, not today.
I'm so used to it.
Okay, I don't know if I see anything. So
Me neither, and we got the statement at 2 o'clock.
No, it's not. It's meeting minutes, no?
Oh, I don't know, I just saw FOMC. I think you're right, though, it's the meeting minutes.
It's where they just talk.
I think I am going to get a lunch. Got it.
Yeah, you haven't even eaten yet.
No, no, I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna check one thing here. What do you got?
Where do you come from, Cat Joe? Is there a meaning to it? Cotton Eye Joe, what does it mean?
Cotton Eye Joe. I don't know. Okay, well, you got 20 people already. It's not bad for a first day.
Famously
Give me
remixed
20
by the
people.
Swedish dance group Rednecks in 1994 of a mysterious fast-talking drifter who wanders into a town and steals the local men's wives or lovers before suddenly vanishing.
Okay, have a good stream, guys. I'm gonna
You're
go
leaving? Okay, enjoy.
my lunch. Take care.
Send me a
I'll
picture
be
of your
back
food.
around. Give me a call when you're closing down. Right?
Yeah, sure. Would you want to go over? I have a couple things to do as well.
No, no. Just give me a call as you're closing down because I got my stream open, so I'm gonna close it too.
Ah, okay. Well, probably around 2:30, 2:45. I'll give you a call,
Yeah,
don't worry.
yeah. Bye.
Enjoy, bye-bye. Bon appetit.
We'll see what 2 p.m. does, but ultimately, I think midnight could get tagged. We're
FOMC
not really
move.
reacting off anywhere specific, but if you look at the 1 hour, we just swept some internal highs and we're rejecting it.
Yeah, into the
If
one
we
hour
do
bearish
reject
value gap
it,
as well.
and we're in Tuesday's new day opening gap, if we do reject from here, we could potentially see quite a bit lower. We'll look for any structure to potentially find a short.
My trade this morning,
But
the SMT was a loser, but my other trade was a winner. So my other trade is on a 4-win streak.
if we find any long, the longs are good too.
You guys see how he just avoided everything I just said? He likes to ignore me.
Yeah, what does it matter?
I'm just letting you know,
Okay, cool.
bro.
Instead of telling me, go over it on your chart. For you have a stream on. Are you just telling me my FMT trade?
I went over it. The people this morning saw it. This is the trade I took this morning. If you see it on my screen. We souped
Wow,
the
what a candle!
1126 low, and I got in at the 1131 close of the candle because we closed above this bearish candle, and I saw that these fair value gaps were unmitigated, so I was hoping to push up pretty quick from here. I moved my stop as soon as we tapped into this fair value gap, and it went 1-to-1. In about a minute and a half. It was a great morning trade.
Making this dump there.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Little bag.
Yeah. All right, we're now in the lowest for value gap of the leg. Back at 10 a.m. open.
Well, we got some speed. We could potentially find a trade in the afternoon. It's been moving quick. I don't get it. The AC's on 20 and I'm hot. It's like I have an issue with body temperature. Hey buddy, it's a two-way chat, huh?
My screen's not up. How in the world would you expect me to talk about structure? What to expect if we're more bearish, what to expect if you're more bullish, what needs to be respected, what type of structure you're looking for. If my chart's not up, what is anyone going to see if I'm talking?
I'm saying you could talk to about your day as well. Have common basic communication. It'd be fun.
Yeah,
It'd be
you came
nice.
into the bottom for value gap of the leg. If you start continuing to disrespect bullish fair value gaps or bullish PD arrays, you could continue short. If you start to respect the bottom of the leg and start to create bullish structure to continue up, then you would look for longs. You're like mute.
Thank you for saying that. You could have said it initially.
So what do we got? You have your small consolidation, you have a strong run up, you're coming back to the consolidation, and here if you form structure or you start to respect bullish PD arrays, you can look for a long to continue up towards midnight and potentially other hourly highs. If you start to respect bearish PD arrays here and start to disrespect bullish PD arrays, you could continue short.
What do we have as bearish PD arrays? The only thing I see is that
Um,
1 hour bearish for value gap that when we took out those highs we tapped into and now it looks like we're rejecting lower.
yeah, you swept hourly highs. And you have a bunch of unfilled 15 minute for value gaps below. And on the 1 minute, you look at the for value gaps, the order blocks, and structure. What's being respected, what's not. Right now, you're disrespecting bullish PD arrays going down, but you're also back into the original consolidation here. So you have to see what we do around here, what we're respecting, what we're disrespecting. No low resistance liquidity is being formed on either end for now. So you wait. You need structure to form. No major SMT with ES either.
A little 1 minute internal SMT. No, not anymore. Oops, I forgot I gotta be on NQ. But yeah, like you said, the only thing I saw too is we took out the 1 hour highs, we tapped into a 1 hour bearish. And we have a lot of unfilled 15-minute bullishes on the way down.
And if we start to form bullish structure here, we could look for an SMT, a soup, and then look to continue long if structure is respecting bullish PD arrays. The hourly candle that swept is about to close, which is going to close bearish because it just souped those highs, and now it's going to close back in the range, which is an indication of bearish price action. But you still need a lot more than just an hourly close. You still need some good structure. You still need to see structure form and for us to have a reason to short. I'm hoping for us to get a bullish SMT and then to continue long towards midnight. That's what I'm looking for.
Hey, how was the bike ride yesterday?
It was good. We went in all of Bordelot.
Were the bikes working better or worse than when we went?
No, they were good. We went to Aqua Blue. I would love to live in one of those condo units. Literally like on the ground floor, like a couple floors up. Like there's literally a nice long pool, a hot tub,
Yeah,
LED lights. Like it's beautiful. You're on the water. You're in a nice building.
I could tell you went for about 35 minutes.
Yeah, about yeah.
I saw the price.
Felt like longer to be honest.
Even the first time felt a little bit longer.
So, what do we got? Now we're disrespecting bullish PD arrays. We're coming down, but does it mean we're going to start to continue down? No, we're going to have to see what we do with these internal lows. If we form any SMTs, if not, if we start to push down and disrespect and create fair value gaps and continue to respect bullish PD array, bearish PD arrays, we're going to continue lower. We look for shorts.
Bullish SMT now between the 30-minute cycles. ES bouncing into that wick, tap 10 o'clock, and then Q took out that previous 30-minute cycle low. On dirait je vois flou.
Got 4 minutes for that hourly candle to close. Three minutes.
Did you take a look at the AM? Did you see anything that you liked potentially?
No, I didn't look.
A lot of big chop in the morning, to be honest. Very wicky. Hey, we got JC in the chat. How you feeling, JC?
How you doing? Oh, he's gonna close bearish.
Are you tired, nauseous, still waiting? Yeah. Fortunately, not so fun. It's crazy how long people wait at the emergency room sometimes. JC said all the staff knows Meg. Well, that's fun.
What?
Too bad they can't squeeze you before everybody else. 201. I was asking myself why the spread's a little bit bigger.
We're showing the 1 minute.
I'm on the 1 minute. What do you see?
Oh, all right.
What?
You're right. It wasn't updated.
Oh. Oh, Mr. DJ, somebody replay. Mr. DJ, and I turn the music up. You know, they gave me different joysticks with it as well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. The ones where the indent is in the middle are per plus like more creux. The normal ones where the indent is just a little bit, and then the ones that are just completely round. It came fast. It was in Mississauga a day and a half ago, 2 days ago. I can't believe it came all the way here this quick. I didn't expect it to come till next week, beginning of the week. I heard the doorbell rang. It's like I knew what it was. It was like 1:05, and my brain's like, go get the door. It's for you. I saw the package and I recognized it from last time. It's like, cool shit, man.
Damn, it sucks. I really wanted a long
Yeah, no, me too.
continue up towards midnight, but I don't know if I'm gonna get an entry if it just starts to run.
I really wanted a long as well. I was very bullish coming into today.
Yeah, I could potentially still get some structure for longs, but I can play both sides of the market. I just need to see what it's showing me. Here, I would like us to sweep this black candle just the low, and then have two green candles. Come up, come up. No, no, it's for both. All right, no crazy SMT.
Where did we come down on the 15? We didn't even tap into any for value gaps. They're all left unopened. Do you think we're going to leave that gap open on the 1 hour? We formed a big bullish for value gap on the 1 hour. Looks like we're pushing back up.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see what this candle does, but we did close bearish on the wick. We closed back within the range after sweeping the hourly highs. We could potentially come down to the 1 hour unfilled before reversing back up, but if it's in a rush to go, it'll just pop up and leave it open. You don't need to fill it.
J'ai mal au ventre.
You told me it was hot outside, huh?
Yeah, it was pretty humid.
Yeah, 28 degrees. Oh my god. Not terrible, but yeah, it's pretty warm.
Went outside for about 15 minutes. I came back in. I was sweating. I just went to go take a shower.
Tomorrow it seems like it's raining a bit.
Next week too. It looks like the
Saturday,
weather's pretty
Sunday,
poor.
nice. No, it doesn't look too bad. Yeah, it looks.
Chad, anybody take trades this afternoon? Anybody see any opportunities? Oh, I don't need my sweater here. I've got a shirt on. Well, I don't see anything here that's possible.
Yeah, nothing for now. I'd like us to create some highs, some clean edged highs, and come back down just a tiny bit, and then go up.
Yeah, me too. I want that.
Nothing I would take in the middle of a price swing.
Did you watch the entire Agent Kim reactivated?
There's only how many episodes are out? 4.
Oh, I didn't know. I thought the whole season was out, but it's true. You told me they come out
There's another one coming out on Friday, and then one episode on Saturday also.
for. I think I'm at
I
3.
forgot about it. See.
I think so. I think I'm at 3. It's pretty good, but episode 1 was so long. I actually thought you were pranking me when you told me to watch it. Like absolutely nothing happened in episode 1.
Bro, why would I tell you to watch a show that I watched so you can go and just watch for an hour and waste your time?
Very good question. That's what I was asking myself too after watching episode 1. Whoops. I would like to have a bullish SMT and try to get a entry on the way up. I really think you're right about that midnight. I even like the Asia buy side as a target, which is still pretty far, 200 points away, but it's so clean. I'd like us to continue forming highs. I don't want us to go up right now with strength. It's forming higher lows though. I have a question. Why before when you were mentioning that black and then you're like, I hope it sweeps and comes back up, you allow the green candle to be a swing low?
Where?
I believe you mentioned it at 1403, but I'm not sure.
When we're bullish and have reasons to go up, and you've taken and closed above an internal high, I'm expecting us to continue. So if I see an institutional order flow entry drill where we sweep the black candle just the low of it and close back up and then get another displacement candle, it shows me a willingness to go higher.
Okay. I'm gonna take this long on ES, the SMT. I'll have myself a 15-point stop here.
Order filled.
At the bottom, 83.
Wait, what?
I have an SMT trade. I need this SMT to hold and for us to go back up.
On ES, you took it?
On NQ, ES swept.
Oh,
I hate when it makes equal lows.
they're equal. Mm,
On NQ, yeah.
Yeah, they're equal. Well, you should have gotten a good fill, no?
Decent. I'll move it to break even. I don't like equal lows. What's my stop supposed to be? Let me check if I even got it close. Okay, it was supposed to be 15.
Michael
Stop
Jackson.
filled.
And break even. I wasn't gonna move break even, but I hate seeing equal lows. Not a fan. Shiksavamniki. Gonna open my door, get some air. Shavik Salamniki. Goddamn equal lows.
Wow, the movie Obsession made over $300 million. Oh my God.
What was the
That
budget?
is crazy. 750K.
No
It's
way.
the only movie in like history with a budget under a million to make over 300 times its money. Yeah, it was a pretty good movie.
Yeah. Yeah, it says here the 2026 indie horror phenomenon session has grossed 404 million worldwide against a budget of 750K. Do you realize how insane that is? That's a 539x return on its production budget. Pretty insane, huh?
Yeah.
Now we got two sets of equal lows on NQ. Hey K50, it's a kind of a horror movie, like a horror thriller. It's called Obsession. It's pretty good. I enjoyed it. It was rated 8 on 10 on IMDb, which is pretty great. And for a horror movie, it's
Yeah, it's
even
amazing.
it's phenomenal for a horror movie. Ah, they didn't put it under thriller. They put it under horror romance. I thought it was horror, thriller, and romance. Take me home to a place. Another SMT. Did you see what Megan said?
Yeah.
That's funny. So the FOMC minutes, David, do you know a little bit more about it? What is it? They just meet and they talk numbers for like an hour?
Yeah, they'll talk about rates, what the numbers are currently, what they're expecting. Nothing crazy. It's a statement that creates a lot more volatility. No beta, beta, beta. I'm beta.
What is that?
You haven't seen those commercials where they put like what do you call it? The Indian guy, like an Indian guy will go to a store with his dad on the phone and say, my dad has a question, he'll ask you he'll tell you what he needs.
Hmm.
But then the dad pretends like he's getting his cheeks clapped on the phone. No beta, oh beta, beta.
No? I've seen the other
Oh
ones when
my
a guy
god.
goes and the girl acts like she's getting clapped. Babe, what are you doing? I'm at the gym. Looks to me like we're going to be consolidating for the rest of the afternoon.
Maybe not.
We're forming a lot of highs. Tu veux que je le N à 2h30?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Call Big Mike. He told me to call him.
You want me to call? Call him if you want.
No, I'm watching chat. Do you mind calling him or no?
No, I'll call him.
Thank you.
Beta, beta, no, beta.
Bro, I've never seen that.
Hi, beta, oh, beta,
My
beta.
phone's gonna be listening to my stream now, and that's what it's gonna give me.
Yeah, you're gonna get for sure now. You're gonna get some of that no beta.
Tu call Big Mike?
Yeah,
Parce que pas te mentir, ça veut sortir.
yeah, you're good to go.
No, but he has to come and do his stuff, no?
I'm here. My mic on? The mic
Yeah,
is on.
I hear ya.
Okay, so that's it. That's all. We're gonna go. What time is it? Okay,
2:30.
2:30. Quiet, eh? Well, we had a little rally there. I see on the
No, we
one
had a
minute.
little
Oh,
bit of,
what is that?
yeah, we had a bit of movement.
What is that chart I'm looking at on your screen? It's not the 1 minute.
Yeah, it is. David told me that before. How is it not the 1 minute? You clearly see it on the top left. It says 1 CME.
On
Look,
what instrument?
Nasdaq 100 E-mini futures,
Mike, your thing is probably not live.
1
Click the
CME.
live.
No, I'm at 2:30. Oh, you guys do that.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. My God, I'm like, yeah. You know where I was? I was at the peak right there in the middle of your, on the middle left of your chart.
Mm.
I was saying it doesn't match mine at all. I figured maybe, okay. Wow, that's weird. Guys, you shouldn't do that. You see, that's the really sucky thing. You have people come in and they're not live and they don't know what the hell's going on. And you should always flick the switch, force people to be
Dave, do you
live.
know, or when you go in people's chat, you always go back and forth and click live every time?
Yeah, you go back and forth. I like going back and forth.
Me too. That's what I
Mm.
said too.
Yeah, everybody
Okay,
knows.
Sebo. Okay, guys,
All
take
right,
care.
chat.
Thanks for hanging
I'll
out.
see you guys tomorrow AM session with David. Thank you guys for joining. If you guys are still here, shoot us a subscribe. Very kind. We appreciate it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow AM. Thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate it.
Take care, guys. Bye.
Tomorrow 9:35 I'll be live AM.